Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2015 Set A IMO question paper for class 4 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO and IMO question papers for class 4 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference and click Olympiad Class 4 to get these question papers. First, I will show you the full question paper. You try to solve it on your own. I will attach the answer key at the end of this video. After reading the questions, you please pause the video and take your own time to answer the questions. First topic is logical reasoning. 1. Some letters are given which are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 followed by 4 options containing combinations of these numbers. Find the combination of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful word. And these are the given letters. You try to find out the answer. What is the word? We can form the word golden. So the answer is A. Otherwise, you can find the answer in another way. So you substitute the letters for the corresponding numbers in each and every options. You can easily find the answer. Here I show one example. 2. Select the odd one out. You look at the given options and try to find out the answer. The answer is A. A is the odd one out because option B, C and D are evenly divided like this. But option A is unevenly divided. 3. If chocolate means toffee, toffee means cake and cake means butter, then what is cut on birthday? You read the given options and try to find out the answer. This is a repeatedly asked question. The answer is C, toffee. Because what is cut on birthday? Cake. Toffee means cake. So the answer is toffee. 4. How many possible combinations of one color and one dress is possible from the given colors and dresses? Dress, color. You try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So to find the answer, first you have to count the number of dresses and number of colors. And here number of dresses is equal to 3 and number of colors is equal to 4. So to find the answer, you have to multiply these two. 3 4s are 12. So the answer is A, 12. 5. Which of the following figure is obtained when figure X is folded along the dotted line? This is figure X. You try to find out the answer from the given options. So the answer is A. 6. Find the mirror image of figure X if the mirror is placed along MN. So this is figure X. You try to find out the answer. This is a repeatedly asked question. So we know in any mirror image the left and right sides are interchanged. There is no change in top and bottom. So to find the answer, first I'm going to check this flag. Okay, it should be reversed. And here, yes, it is reversed. Yes, and this is wrong. Top and bottom are reversed here, and this also wrong because there is no left and right interchange in this flag. Okay, and next I'm going to check this number. Okay, here the numbers are interchanged. Yes, and here the number appears as it is, so this is a wrong one. So the answer is A. 7. In which of the following figures, figure X is exactly embedded as one of its part? This is the given figure X. You try to find out the answer from the given options. The answer is D. And figure X is embedded here. 8. Study the adjoining diagram carefully. Mohit is facing towards park. If theatre and hospital interchange their positions and Mohit takes 1/4 turn anti-clockwise, then he will be facing towards dash. You look at the given picture carefully and try to find out the answer. How to find the answer? So to find the answer, first I'm going to mark the position of Mohit. Mohit is facing towards park. Okay. So here I put the arrow. Mohit facing towards the park. And second one is if theatre and hospital interchange their positions. Now we have to interchange the positions of hospital and theatre. Theatre is here and hospital is here. I interchanged the positions of hospital and theatre. So now this is hospital and this is theatre. And Mohit takes 1/4 turn anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means this direction. Okay, so he has to turn like this. 1/4 turn means that is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So this forms 90 degree. So he moves to the hospital. Now Mohit is here. Okay. So the answer is D, hospital. If you don't know the concept of angle, no problem. We can use another one method to find the answer. Mohit is standing here. So you consider these two lines only. Okay. So these two lines form 4 parts. 1, this part 1, this part is 2, and this part is 3, this part is 4. Okay. So 1/4 turns means, so among these 4 he has to cross only one portion. So this portion only. So Mohit's position is here. Okay. So we get the same answer. The answer is D, hospital. You can select any one method to find the answer. 9. Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed in all the 3 figures. So look at the given figures and try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So to find the answer, first I'm going to add these 3 numbers. Okay. If we add these 3 values, we get 33. If we add these 3 values, we get 33. So to find this answer, first we have to add these 2 values, then subtract this value from 33. Okay. So if we add these 2, we get 24. 33. This 33. 33 minus 24 is 9. So the answer is B, 9. 10. Read the information carefully. Manu is taller than Chinko. Tanu is taller than Chunno. Chunno is taller than Manu. Who among the following is the tallest? You try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we have to check each and every statement. Okay. So first one is Mono is taller than Chinku. So I have written M greater than CHI. M for mono, CHI for Chinku. Likewise, you write all the conditions. Tanu is taller than Chunnu. Chunnu is taller than Mono. Okay. Now you combine these three. Who is tallest here? Tanu is tallest. Second one is Chunnu. And third one is Mono. Fourth one is Chinku. So the answer is C. Tanu. Next topic is mathematical reasoning. 11. Find P, Q, R and S respectively. So this is the given problem. You try to find out the answer. This is the given problem. Now I'm going to find the value of S. So in 62, how many 44s are available? Only one 44. So 1 times 44 is 44. So this S is 4. Okay. And this P is equal to 1. 44 ones are 44. So P is equal to 1 and S is equal to 4. Okay. So first we will check these two answers in the given options. And the first one is P, Q or S. P1, S4. Okay. So the answer is A. The other three options are wrong. So we can stop here. No need to check further. 12. How many multiples of 10 are there from 20 to 150? You try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we have to include 20 and 150 also. Okay. How to do this problem? So to find the answer, first you subtract 20 from 150. We get 130. Now you remove this 0. Okay. So after removing the 0, we get 13. Now we add 1 to this 13, that is equal to 14. This is our answer. This is a shortcut trick. So first you have to subtract 20 from 150. We get 130. You remove this 0. Then you add 1 to this 13. We get 14. This is our answer. 13. 94560 in words is written as. You read the given options and try to find out the answer. This is a very simple problem. So the answer is D. 94,560. 14. What fraction of the flowers are red? So these are the given flowers. You try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to find the denominator. So denominator is nothing but total number of flowers. Okay. And in this, 5 rows are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, 8 columns are given. So total number of flowers equal to 5 into 8. Okay. That is equal to 40. So denominator is equal to 40. You have to check the numerator also. That means number of red flowers. Okay. Because sometimes in your options, they have given the simplest form of the fraction. So in these cases, we have to find out the numerator also. So number of red flowers are equal to 19. So the fraction is 19 divided by 40. So the answer is D. 15. If addition of 5 boxes equal to 125 and 1 box equal to star plus 4, then find the value of star plus box plus box. Okay, you try to find out the answer. We know 5 boxes equal to 125. So we can find the value of 1 box. So the value of 1 box equal to 125 divided 5 equal to 25. Now you substitute this value here and find the value of star. So 25 equal to star plus 4. So 1 star equal to this 25 minus 4 equal to 21. Now we know the value of one box and one star. You substitute that values, okay, here. So after substituting the values we get 92. So the answer is D, 92. You have to substitute the value in this. 16. If the weight of each orange is same, then weight of apple is dash gram. You look at the given pictures and try to find out the answer. And in this 9 oranges are given and its weight is 18 gram. And here 3 oranges plus 1 apple is given. Its weight is 28 gram. So we can find the value of 1 orange from this value. Okay. So we know 9 oranges equal to 18. So 1 orange equal to 18 divided 9. So 9 twos are 18. So 1 orange weight is 2 gram. So we substitute this value in this, okay. So 3 orange plus 1 apple equal to 28 grams. So 1 apple equal to 28 minus 3 into weight of 1 orange 2. That is equal to 28 minus 6 equal to 22 gram. So the answer is B, 22. 17. The bar graph shows the savings of 5 children. Akansha needs to save another dash so that she has twice as much money as Mohit. So to find the answer, we have to compare Akansha and Mohit. Okay, you try to find out the answer. So Mohit has rupees 200 and Akansha has rupees 350. So condition is he has twice as much money as Mohit. Mohit's amount is 200. So 200 into 2 is 400. Okay. So to find the answer, we subtract 350 from 400. Okay. So the value is 50. So rupees 50 she needs to save. So the answer is A. 18. How long did Varun take to complete his homework? These two are the given clocks. This is start doing homework time. This is completed homework time. You try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we have to note down the times. Okay. So 10:20 is completed time and 8:40 is started time. Okay. So to find the duration, we have to subtract 8:40 from 10:20. We can't subtract 40 from 20, so we have to borrow 1 from 10. We know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So I put 60 here. Now you add these 2 minutes, 60 and 20. Now its value is 80. Now you do the subtraction. So we get 1 hour 40 minutes. The answer is D, 1 hour 40 minutes. 19. The given figure is made up of 3 rectangles. Find the length of CD. So this is the given figure and this is CD. You try to find out the answer. So we know this length is 17 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. So to find CD, this also 5 centimeter, this also 4 centimeter. So to find CD, we have to subtract this 5 and 4 from 17. So if we subtract, we get 8. So the answer is C, 8 centimeter. 20. Figures 1 and 2 shows two identical rectangles X and Y, which are arranged differently. What is the difference between the perimeters of both the figures? So these two are the given figures. So try to find out the answer. Perimeter means a path or boundary of the given shapes. Okay. So to find the answer, we have to find out the length of this and this first. Okay. We know this is 10 centimeter. So up to this is 5 centimeter. Okay, this is 5 centimeter and this also 5 centimeter. So this length is 5 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. So this length is 2 centimeter. Now you find the perimeter for 1 and 2. So perimeter of first one is this 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 2 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. So its perimeter is 24 centimeter, and here 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So its perimeter is 18 centimeter. Our question is, what is the difference between the perimeters of both figures? So we subtract 18 from 24. So the answer is 6. B, 6 centimeter. Next topic is Everyday Mathematics 21. The flight from Chennai to Dubai took off at 4:45 hours. It landed at Dubai at 9:15 hours. How long was the flight? So this is a simple problem. You try to find out the answer. And time problem also I repeatedly asked question. So to find the answer, we have to subtract 4:45 from 9:15. So to find the answer, we have to subtract 4:45 from 9:15. So we can't subtract 45 from 15. So borrow 1 from here. So that is equal to 60 minutes. 60 plus 15 is 75. So 8 hours 75 minutes minus 4 hours 45 minutes. So we get 4 hours 30 minutes. This is our answer. So the answer is C. 22. Mrs. Latika bought 2 liter 500 ml of milk. She used 750 ml to make coffee and fed her cat with 350 ml of milk. Find the quantity of milk that is left over. So try to find out the answer. This is also a repeatedly asked question. And here leftover is the keyword for subtraction operation. So we have to do the subtraction operation. So to find the answer, here we have to do two operations, addition and subtraction. So first we have to add this 750 and 350. Then you subtract that value from this value. Okay. So first we have to add these two values. We get 1 liter 100 ml. We subtract this value, we get 1 liter 400 ml. So the answer is D, 1 liter 400 ml. 23. The contents in Aniya's school bag are given below. Textbook 675 gram, notebooks 415 gram, pencil box 175 gram. If the empty bag weighs 205 gram, calculate how much does the school bag weigh with its contents. We try to find out the answer. How to find the answer? So to find the answer, we have to add all the given datas. So if we add, we get 1 kilogram 470 grams. So the answer is B. 24. In a bag, there were 5,600 red beads and 6,540 white beads. Kavya sold 3,680 beads. How many beads were left in the bag? So I try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So to find the answer, first we have to add these two. Then you subtract this value. Okay. Without doing the operations, we can easily find the answer from the given options. Okay. So first, I'm going to subtract this value from 5,600. Okay. So we get some value that is less than 2,000. Okay, because 5,600 minus 3,680. So its value, its subtraction value is nearer to 2,000. 1,900 to 2,000. So we have to add that value to this one. So its value is 6,540. So if we check the option A, its value is 12,000. So 6,540 plus 2,000 means not 12,000. So this is wrong. And this value is less than this value. So this also wrong. And this value is less than this value. This also wrong. So this is the correct answer. The answer may be nearer to 8,000 something. Okay. So this is the correct answer. You can use this method also. Otherwise, you add these two, then you subtract this value to find the answer. By using the second method, you can easily find the answer without doing the addition and subtraction operations. Okay. 25. Charu had 36 cookies. She gave 1 by 9 of the cookies to her brother. How many cookies had she left with her? Try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So to find the answer, first you have to divide 36 by 9. Okay. So 36 divided 9 is equal to 4. 9 fours are 36. So she gave 4 cookies to her brother. So to find the answer, we subtract 4 from 36. So the answer is 32. A 32. So 32 cookies left with her. 26. Megha collected 324 seashells. She collected 78 more seashells than Beena. How many seashells did they both collected all together? Try to find out the answer. So all together is the keyword for addition operation. So we have to add shells with Megha and Beena. But we don't know the value of Beena. So we have to find out that first. Then we have to do the addition operation. So number of shells with Beena is 324 minus 78. So number of cells with Beena 246. Now you add these two values, okay, to get the total number of shells. So if we add these two values, we get 570. So the answer is B, 570. 27. The total number of children in a class is 40. 7 children were absent on Monday. What fraction of the class was present on Monday? This is a simple problem. You try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? Our question is, what fraction of the class was present on Monday? So first we have to find out the number of presentees on Monday. We know 7 children were absent on Monday. So 40 minus 7 equal to 33. 33 is the number of children present on Monday. So the required fraction is 33 divided 40. That means number of students present and total number of students. 28. To decorate a banquet hall, 354 electric bulbs were bought. If the cost of each bulb is rupees 28, what is the total cost of 354 electric bulbs? We try to find out the answer. Which operation we have to use here? So they have given the cost of one bulb and we have to find out the cost of 354 bulbs. So here we have to use multiplication operation. So to find the answer, we have to multiply 354 and 28. So to find the answer, no need to do the full multiplication. Okay. So you first check the ones place value only. And here the ones place value is 8 and here ones place value is 4. So 8 fours are 32. So in 32 ones place value is 2. Okay. So here in option A, the ones place value is 2. In B, 0, 4, 0. So these three are wrong. A is the correct answer. Okay. So to find the answer, you just multiply the ones place values. Okay. The ones place value of the result 32 is equal to this ones place value. So A is the answer. So we can use this trick if the four options have different ones place value. Okay, otherwise you have to do the full multiplication operation. 29. Garima travels 504 km to her office in a month. If she works for 28 days in a month, find the distance she travels in one day. Try to find out the answer. Which operation we have to use here? So here they have given the value for 28 days and they have asked to find the value for one day. So we have to do the division operation. So to find the answer you have to divide 504 by 28. And in this problem also the ones place value for four options are different. So in that case also we do not do the full division operation. So we have one simple trick to find the answer. We know 504 is dividend and 28 is divisor and the answer is quotient. So to find the dividend we have to multiply the divisor and quotient. So if we multiply any one of the answer with this 28, we have to get this value. Okay. So now I am going to check the ones place value only. And in dividend the ones place value is 4. Okay. So now I am going to check the ones place value. 9 8s are 72. So in 72 ones place value is 2. That is not equal to 4. And in 12 ones place value is 2. So 2 8s are 16. So in 16 6 is the ones place value. 6 is not equal to 4. So this also not the answer. And in 18 ones place value is 8. 8 8s are 64. In 64 ones place value is 4. 4 is equal to 4. So C is the answer. Okay. So without doing the division operation we can easily find the answer. If you want, you do the division operation and cross check your answer. Okay. 30. A music store sold 192 CDs every week. Find the number of CDs sold in 38 weeks. You try to find out the answer. Which operation we have to use? We have to use a multiplication operation. So we have to multiply 192 and 38. And if you look at the options, the ones place value of these two are same and the ones place value of these two are same. Okay. So in that case we have to take two values. Okay. So these two are different. Here 76, here 96, here 44, here 64. So up to tens place value we can check. So to find the answer, we have to multiply these two. Here I am not doing the full multiplication operation because I want the answer for the last two digits only. Okay. So I got 96, the last two digits. So the answer is D. If you want, you do the full multiplication operation and this will save your time. Okay. Next topic is Achiever section 31. Fill in the blanks. A multiple of a number is P smaller than the number. A multiple of an even number is Q odd. 1 is the OR of every number. You read the given options and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we have to find the answer for P first. A multiple of a number is P smaller than the number. Here I am taking one example. The number is 2 here and multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6. So here the multiples are equal to or greater than the number 2. Okay. So the answer for P is never. Okay. So always is wrong. So if I multiply the number with minus 1 means we get minus 2. Likewise, 2 into minus 2 equal to minus 4. So these are the multiples of 2 and its value is smaller than the number 2. So the answer sometimes also applicable here. Okay. So the answer never and sometimes for P. And a multiple of an even number is Q. Odd. Multiple of an even number. So here I am taking 2 as a number and its multiple is always even. Okay, it's not an odd number. So the answer for Q is never. Okay, not always. So D is wrong. The answer may be B or A. And 1 is the OR of every number. So here OR is factor. Yes, 1 is the factor of every number. So here we got both answers A and B for this question. So the answer is A and B. 32. The figure shows the amount of water in 3 beakers at first. Current poured 150 ml of water from beaker P to beaker Q. He then poured 200 ml of water from beaker Q to beaker R. Finally, he poured 100 ml of water from beaker R to beaker P. Which one of the following statement is true? You look at the given figures and read the given problem once again carefully, and you read the options and try to find out the answer. So if you look at the picture, each beaker have 250 ml of water. So first you mark 250 ml. Then you write the value of PQR. So the first statement is current poured 150 ml of water from beaker P to beaker Q. 150. So you subtract 150 from P and you add 150 to Q. Okay. And next one is he then poured 200 ml of water from beaker Q to beaker R. So you add 200 ml to R and subtract 200 ml from Q. So you put the addition and subtraction symbols. Okay. Finally, he poured 100 ml of water from beaker R to P. So you subtract 100 from R, you add 100 to P. Now you find the values. So after doing the addition subtraction operations, we get 200, 200, 350. You read the given options and try to find out the answer. So the answer is C. Beaker R contain more water than the other beakers at the end. 33. Find P, Q, R and S respectively. And this is the given subtraction problem. You try to find out the answer. This is also a repeatedly asked question. And the first one is Q. So to find Q, you have to add 5 and 2. So Q equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So in the given options, Q is the second value. Okay. So this is wrong and this is wrong. This is 7. This may be the answer. This is 7. This may be the answer. And next one is yes. And in these two options, the last one is yes. Okay. So in these two options, the value of S is same. That is equal to 2. So no need to find this. And next one is R. Next we have to find the R value. So to find R, we have to subtract 4 from 8. So the value of R is equal to 4. And here third one is R. It's not 4, 8. So this is wrong. And here R is 4. Yes. So D is the correct answer. 34. The figure is obtained by removing some small identical squares from a big rectangle. The length of each side of a small identical square in the obtained figure is 2 cm. Find the perimeter of the figure. This is the given figure. You try to find out the answer. We know the side of each square is 2 cm. So you count number of sides in the perimeter. Then you find the value. So if we count, we have 20 sides. So the answer is 20 into 2, 40 centimeter. Okay. So A 40 centimeter. 35. The table shows the number of points scored by different teams at a sports meet. Which two teams had a total of 538 points? Teams points. I try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So to find the answer, we have to move from the options. Okay. And here the ones place value is 8. So first we will check the ones place value. Okay. And the first option is yellow and purple. This is yellow. This is purple. And we add the ones place value. 8 plus 1 is 9. But in answer, ones place value is 8. So this is wrong. And B, red and purple. Red and purple. 8 plus 8 is 16. So in 16, ones place value is 6. 6 is not equal to 8. So this also wrong. And next one is yellow and green. Yellow and green. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 is equal to 8. So this is the correct answer. So my dear students, today we have completed 2015 Set A IMO question paper for class 4 students. If you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.